I have this DEWALT kit right here that comes with one drill, two batteries, one, two, and the charger. And I've had this for a while now, and I use it around the house. I use it also for work sometimes. I do maintenance, so I take it here and there. I have another one at work, but sometimes I do want to use this one. I do want to carry it around and just use it, just because it's, you know, it's the size, compact, and I just love how it works. I really do. And this kit is going to come with two chargers, two 20-volt chargers here. And once that one's over, you just, you know, swap it out and make sure the other one's charging while you're using this one. You have this 12-volt or 20-volt battery charger here, lithium ion, and this drill right here. It has two speeds. It has one right here, here you go. And then you have, or sorry, that was two, and this is one, which is a little slower, a little less power, and then two, which is more power. And you can see here, you just adjust it to where you want, how strong you want it to be, the torque power here. And if you're gonna drill in a screw or something, you just set it there. And it has a light as well. And like I said, I really love this drill. I've had it for a long time, never had issues, never ever had any issues with it. And I believe that's another reason why I really like it, is that I've never had any issues with it, and it's just long lasting, good quality, good power, and it's really good to use around the house, or if you want to use it for, you know, a big job as well. This works well for that.